Hey guys, it's Leia.Sims3 and
Nylon is Willaboo.
And no one asked us to do this, but we're making cakes.
We're making cake. We're making a 2-layered cake.
We're doing this because we're bored and we have nothing better to do. It's like a 4-day weekend.
Fortnite is live.
Memorial Day weekend, and yeah, so we got all our ingredients here and we're gonna start. Okay, this is gonna be kind of difficult because we only have 5 eggs and it calls for 6. This setup is so stupid, but sorry. This is the best we can do. Look at that pink cake.
Gender reveal?
Gender reveal. Since we have a lot of cake batter left, I'm just gonna...
Please don't eat that. Oh my god, she ate the raw cake batter. Oh, that's so disgusting. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's disgusting. Oh, that's so gross. All those raw eggs and the flour.
I know you're not.
What is she doing? No, please don't eat that. That would be so disgusting. No. Please don't. Oh my god.
Put this in the dishwasher.
Oh my god. That is disgusting. What the fuck?
Alright, the chocolate cake is done. She's supposed to be getting it out of the oven. Okay guys, so the cakes are done. They're all cooled and we are about to frost them. Okay,
So now we're about to put
we're transferring the bottom layer.
Yeah, kind of talk, okay? This is the first layer.
Well, wow, that came out perfect. Okay,
We're going to be putting the
we're gonna be frosting
creamy
the
home style frosting. Classic vanilla. Be careful.
I got this.
Oh, that's so delicious.
Oh, well, it's falling apart. Let's try to eat it.
Look at. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Now
Look at that
it's
fresh
time.
strawberry right there. You see how fresh that is? Oh.
Oh wait, get this part.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Shoot.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my. Oh.
Yeah, that's so good.
Oh my. Fudge. Alright guys, you're gonna see us try a piece of this. I'm gonna try some of the chocolate. This looks so freaking delectable. So delicious.
Actually, the strawberry is good.
Try some of the strawberry. So freaking good. No, you know what this calls for?
No.
Oh, shoot!
No.
Stick that right back on there. Just.
Wait.
Why we thought that was a good idea? Would you eat that? Would you eat that?
No.
If somebody brought that to your birthday party, what would you say?
I'd say fuck you.
No. Look at this mess. This is not okay. This is not okay. The only thing edible on there is the fresh strawberries. Like, that's the only good part. Look at that. Would you eat that? I don't know. house almost blew up
No,
for this.
The cake was good. It's just it's a mess.
I'm like so disappointed right now. So I'm thinking, oh, this cake's gonna be so good. It's gonna be like looking so good. Pinterest ready. No. This looks like someone literally vomited strawberry milkshake all over some dough. I can't. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you want us to do more cake tutorials. We're obviously professionals. Fudge!